Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is the highway that's being built from Harborview to Port Antonio. This is the largest road project underway in Jamaica right now. Now, this section is between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallus Bridge, which is the first full section that is to be completed. So the completion date for this project is August 2023. This is the latest completion date. And that is 10 weeks from now. So we're giving you guys an update to show you what's going on. Now, this section of the road that we're actually driving on is from Harborview to 11 miles in Bull Bay. And what's going on here now is this road, the existing road is being upgraded or expanded to a dual carriageway. So it's going to be 4 lanes, and there you can see them putting in the Jersey barriers in the middle to separate the both sides of the road. So what they did was, or what they're doing, is expanding the existing road that was 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And they had to remove a lot of structures along the roadway. So from the Harborview Bridge to where you see that new bridge, straight ahead to the right, the existing roadway was expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And the Jersey barrier was either put in or they're in the process of putting it in. So all the structures between the Harborview Bridge and this bridge here that you're looking at now, any structure that was in the way of the expansion of the lanes had to be removed. Between Harborview and Port Antonio, over 600 structures had to be removed. 600. But it had to be done for the highway to be built. Now, where you see that bridge on the right, the highway goes over the hill from this point at the bridge to the Suncoast Adventure Park area. And they have actually diverted the traffic from the Suncoast Adventure Park so that they can remove the existing road to join both sides of the highway. So we will show you that in another video. This one is just this section, but we're going to show you, give you updates on the entire length of the highway. So from Harborview to where we are now, the highway runs along the existing roadway. And then from the bridge that you just saw on the right, all the way to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway goes over the hill. So it takes a new alignment. There was no road there before, so they had to build a road. This is the same section from the Harborview Bridge to the new bridge, but it's just the other lane. We're just showing you what's going on because we're not sure if this highway will finish in 10 weeks, this section at least. The entire highway from Harborview to Port Antonio is scheduled to finish in 2025. But this section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallus Bridge is scheduled to finish in August 2023. Right, so from this bridge that you just saw where we are to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway takes a new alignment and goes over the hill. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway, that section, the existing roadway was upgraded to 4 lanes, just like this section here. So when the highway comes over the hill, that's a new highway that was built, a new alignment, a new road basically. It has to join back the existing road. So that's the section that they are removing now, the road that separated both sides, the main road, and they're now joining it. We have videos up, so you can check it out. Alright guys, so let us know what you think, if this road will be finished by August 2023. That's, even if it's the end of August, that's 10 weeks from now. And I'm not sure how they come up with these finish dates. I mean, nobody's rushing it. Some people left some comments when we did a previous update video, but we're not rushing the highway. We're patiently waiting on it, but it's the government that keeps coming out with these deadlines or the finish date for the highways. It's always April or August. This looks more like December 2023, but we will keep you guys updated. We'll come out here every week and give you an update on the road, either every week or every 2 weeks, but we'll probably do it every week until August so that you can see what's going on. But we are not the ones that are in a hurry for the road. We are just working off the timelines that the government puts out. Now, August is independence and emancipation in Jamaica. I'm not sure if that was the reason why they used the August date. I don't know, but I just find it very hard to believe that this road will be finished in 10 weeks. But as I said, we will give you guys a weekly update so that everybody can see what's going on. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video and leave your comments in the section below.